Hey folks, welcome back to the house on Joy Street. This is a post $20 plus art show video, kind of a vlog I guess. The art show was a big success for me and I was very happy. I include a couple of video clips from the show, very short ones. I didn't feel comfortable videoing a lot of people. And then you can watch a short video of me assembling a piece of furniture for the workshop. And you'll see an older man who's losing a lot of his hair and whose clothes don't quite fit because he's lost a lot of weight recently. But I can still get up and down off the floor, so that's a big plus. I hope all of you have a fantastic holiday season, and I'll catch you again after the holidays. Take care now. Bye bye. That's what I like to see. Ta-da! What are you doing, Alice?